मैं पढ़ाना चाहूंगा।
I would like to teach.
मैं नहीं पढ़ाना चाहूंगा।
I would not like to teach.
क्या मैं पढ़ाना चाहूंगा?
Would I like to teach?
क्या मैं नहीं पढ़ाना चाहूंगा?
Would I not like to teach?
मैं क्या पढ़ाना चाहूंगा?
What would I like to teach?
मैं क्या नहीं पढ़ाना चाहूंगा?
What would I not want to teach?
लाइक टू टीच।
Like to teach.
आप पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
You would like to teach.
आप नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
You would not like to teach.
क्या आप पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would you like to teach?
क्या आप नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would you not like to teach?
आप क्या पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would you like to teach?
आप क्या नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
What would you not like to teach?
हम पढ़ाना चाहेंगे।
They would like.
हम
We would like to teach.
हम नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे।
We would not like to teach.
क्या हम पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would you like to teach?
वुड वी।
Would we like to teach?
क्या हम नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would we not like to teach?
हम क्या पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
What would you we like to teach?
हम क्या नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
What would you we not like to teach?
वे पढ़ाना चाहेंगे।
They would like to teach.
वे नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे।
They would not like to teach.
क्या वे पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would they like to teach?
क्या वे नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
Would they not like to teach?
वे क्या पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
What would they like to teach?
वे क्या नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेंगे?
What would they not like to teach?
वह पढ़ाना चाहेगा।
She would like to teach.
चाहेगा।
He would like to teach.
वो नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेगा।
He would not like to teach.
क्या वो पढ़ाना चाहेगा?
Would he like to teach?
क्या वो नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेगा?
Would he not like to teach?
वह क्या पढ़ाना चाहेगा?
What would he like to teach?
वह क्या नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेगा?
What would he not like to teach?
वह पढ़ाना चाहेगी।
She would like to teach.
वह नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेगी।
She would not like to teach.
क्या वो पढ़ाना चाहेगी?
Would she like to teach?
क्या वो नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेगी?
Would she not like to teach?
वह क्या पढ़ाना चाहेगी?
What would she like to teach?
वह क्या नहीं पढ़ाना चाहेगी?
What would she not like to teach?
वेल डन।